All right, so this session is going to be on how to graph absolute value equations here. So you have an equation. I'm going to start out. This is 1 equals the absolute value of s minus 3. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and break this apart to 1 equals s minus 3. I'm going to have 1 equals, or negative 1 equals s minus 3. So I'm going to go ahead and add 3 to both sides. All right, this is going to give me 4 equals s. Here, when I add 3, I'm going to get s equals 2. So I have these two answers. Okay, now how do I graph it? It's pretty simple. Well, you're going to have a number line on your screen for this IXL probe. I believe it is Algebra 1, L2. Okay, and there's going to be a bunch of numbers on here. Let me start with negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going to look something like this. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to plot a point at 2, and you're going to plot a point at 4. So it's just going to look like 2 dots, just like that. Okay? All right, so you're going to go ahead and you're going to work through these problems. I'm going to do probably 2 of them because there's a lot of components to it. It takes a little bit more time to go through these problems. So this one's the absolute value of b minus 4 equals 3. So I'm going to have b minus 4 equals 3 and b minus 4 equals negative 3. So you go ahead and add 4 to both sides. V equals 7. Over here, add 4. We're going to get v equals 1. So I would plot a point at, okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to plot a point at 7 and a point at 1. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to skip through a couple of these, all right, just to make sure you know, nothing changes on you guys. Let's see. So far, all the problems look pretty much the same. Okay, nothing's changed. So, all right. So now around 40, your question's going to change a little bit. So I'll make sure to go over one of these. So this one is 45 equals 9 times the absolute value of q minus 52. So I'm not going to break it up just yet. I have to divide both sides by 9. That's 5 equals the absolute value of q minus 52. So now I break it up and I have 5 equals q minus 52 and 5 equal, or negative 5 equals q minus 52. So I'm going to go ahead and add 52 to both sides. So you're going to get here 57 equals q. And over here, when I add 52, all right, I'm going to get, sorry about that. I'm going to get, what is that, 47 equals q. So I have 2 points, 57 and 47. So you would plot those 2 points and you'd move on. As always, if you have any questions, just let me know, and we'll go from there.